Hi, my name's Justy. I'm one of the owners here at Colorado Lawyer Team. I wanted to give you a quick update about the initial status conference in our family law cases. I'm one of the family law supervising attorneys, and so I thought this would just be helpful information for anyone who's going through any sort of domestic relations court process. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the ISC. What does ISC stand for? ISC is the Initial Status Conference. It's probably the first time that you're appearing before the court in your case, and depending on the division or what county that your case is filed in, it can be held in front of a judge or just a family court facilitator. The purpose of the ISC is to have the court assess what each party's legal needs might be on the case. For example, is it contested? Is it uncontested? If it's uncontested, or the party is going to need a lengthy hearing to settle matters, or the parties are going to be able to settle their matters fairly easily, that all can inform what the court does with the case. The court will also make sure that the parties are aware of all the deadlines in the case at this initial status conference. Those deadlines need to be followed, and you need to make sure that you're working towards them regularly. And big deadlines happen and they sneak up on you. So it's important not to just sit back and wait until the last minute to do things like your sworn financial disclosures. The court also makes sure that if you are the petitioner or you are the person that filed the documents, that the other side has been properly served with those documents and has had an opportunity to respond. So how can you prepare for the ISC? First, you need to read the court's case management order, or CMO. That's usually filed right after you file your initial documents, so the court will send a responsive pleading to you. The case management order has all the deadlines in writing. It provides what the court expects to happen on the case. For example, before being able to ask for a hearing, some courts require that the parties engage in mediation. Unless there's an exception to that mediation, such as domestic violence, usually mediation is required. So there's a deadline for when mediation has to be set and completed by. If you review the case management order in detail, it provides you with a guide to the entire process and what's useful for that particular judge in that particular jurisdiction, which is also something that can vary. The second thing is that it does make it easier to just talk to the other side a little bit. So my advice to prep for the ISC is to definitely reach out to the opposing counsel or opposing party ahead of time. That way you can see if you're agreeing on things, what you're disagreeing on, and kind of discuss the details of a family law case. If you get to your ISC and both parties appear, you're able to let the court know what you're agreeing to, what you're not agreeing to, and where you need the court's assistance. You may also be able to request an immediate hearing or temporary orders hearing at that time. It saves you time and makes the process go a lot more smoothly if you're able to have these conversations with the opposing side before the ISC. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions or if we can be helpful in any way on your case, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Colorado Lawyer Team. We look forward to hearing from you soon.